Hi everyone. So today we're going to do a dirty pour with ribbons, and we're working on a 16-inch triangle. And I'm going to spray my cups with a WD-40 first so I can release all the paint. You don't want to spray over your canvas because if you get silicone on here, your paint will skip over it. So always spray away. Alright, so the colors I'm using: Folk Art Green Flash, Praj Posse Deep Lagoon Shimmer, Grumbacher Turquoise Green, and Deco Art 24 Karat Gold, along with some white, and I may throw a little black in there if I need it. Okay, so I'm going to start with just a little bit of white, so I know when I'm pouring that that's my last color that comes out. And I'll follow that with the Deep Lagoon Shimmer. And then we'll add our Green Flash. And then the Grumbacher Turquoise Green. And I think I will put a little black in here. And all these paints do have silicone in them. And we'll add the gold. I want to make sure I have enough paint to play with placing color. This Folk Art Green Flash is really pretty. It does have a tendency to take over a painting though. I'm just going to shoot the gold down through because I don't want it to be the first color out. Okay, so let's play. I think I'll give him a swirl. A lot of times I don't, but I just think we need to marry those colors a little bit. I'm going to start down here. So I can use that white to my advantage to cover corners. Okay, so now on this one, we're going to come this way. And we'll just cover our edge so we have paint to go over. We're definitely going to tilt a lot on this one. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a torch. Get those air bubbles out before we tilt. Of course, a lot of them are stubborn. And you get some deep ones, they don't like to pop. But we'll get them on the next torch. Okay, what do I want to keep and what do I want to get rid of? So I'm going to come forward first. There's a lot of pretty stuff in here. It's harder to hang on to a triangle. I just want to get this one corner. Sorry about that. I have the wrong phone out here. The one that rings loud. And it didn't go through anyways. So now I'm just moving that down. because I want to bring that, I want to open that up. That's pretty cool looking right there. So I got them all covered. Let me torch that. See if I can get something here. That flash will be beautiful when it's dry, because as the light reflects, it will give you different shades of green and gold. And the gold is here. It's going to be very pretty when it's dry. And I'll show it Monday night. I got some beautiful skins to pull too. So I think that's going to be it on that one, guys. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell for notifications. Make sure you click all. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Join our group, the Parage Posse, on Facebook. Our paints are available through the group as well as through email. If you're interested in getting some of the Parage Posse paints, just send me an email. That's below in the description. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. Hit up our Etsy, Redbubble, Teespring for merch. Join us every Monday night live at 9 p.m. We do 4 or 5 paintings. We hang out from 9 to 11. We laugh a lot. We joke around a lot. It's fun. Don't want to miss that for sure. But thank you so much for watching, guys. And here's your little close-up. And some pretty cool stuff going in there. I can't wait to see this one dry. It's pretty. I love bright, bright, bright greens. But that's it. Have a great day, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.